Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started bringing your money into the world of blockchain, which can seem a little intimidating at first, but I'm going to break this down easily for you and allow you to purchase XETA tokens, which is going to allow you to build zones. And those zones are going to open up opportunities such as blue chip equities trading, private equity, high frequency trading, as well as a daily passive income. So the very first thing that we need to do is we need to install what is called Metamask. Metamask is a cryptocurrency wallet that is an extension for your internet browser, whether that's Google Chrome or Brave browser, whichever one you're using. And you want to go to metamask.io. Now be cautious if you go to Google and you just search for Metamask, that you don't click any advertisements or anything like that. Make sure it is metamask.io. Okay, so when you come to metamask.io, you're going to click download, and it's going to ask if you want to install for Chrome, which we want to do. You're going to click add to Chrome, add extension. Now, if you already have MetaMask, you can skip the first part of this video, and I'll put some chapters in so that you can just skip to the next part you need to go to. But assuming that you've never installed MetaMask before, you're going to get a screen that says get started. You're going to say I agree. You're going to create a new wallet. So create a wallet is the option that you want. Just type in a password. Make sure you write all this down. Please have a piece of paper, an actual physical piece of paper. I know that sounds a little strange, but just we'll get to that in a moment. Just write all this stuff down as you are doing it. So go ahead and click create once you have created your password. And you are going to be presented with an introductory screen on how to secure your wallet. Feel free to watch this if you'd like, but I'm going to skip it. So click next. This is the key part. So as you are writing this stuff down, you are going to need to write this down. This is the main thing right here. Now, you're going to see something called a recovery phrase, a secret recovery phrase. Now, I'm not going to click this to reveal, well, actually, I'm going to have to move forward, but I'll blank it out. You're going to see it says click here to reveal secret words. These words are essentially what allows you to get access to this wallet. So if anybody ever got these words on your screen that you would reveal, they could steal all your funds in your wallet. So this is critical that you do not ever reveal this to anybody, that you write this down on a piece of paper and you stick it in some bomb-proof safe or something, or at least a secure location that nobody can get to. So I'm going to click here to reveal secret words. You're going to be presented with a series of 12 words. You want to write them down, okay? And when you're done writing them down, go ahead and click next. It's going to ask you to confirm them, okay? So as you wrote them down in the order that they were showing on the screen, now they ask you to enter them back in that same order in order to ensure that you actually wrote them down properly. So I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to enter mine in, then I'm going to come back and we'll move forward. All right, so I'm finished entering my secret phrase back into MetaMask to confirm that I wrote it down correctly. At this point, we're going to click all done. Now here is your wallet. Now I'm going to show you something that I recommend on Google Chrome in the upper right-hand corner. You're going to see a little puzzle piece. Go ahead and click that. You're going to see MetaMask. Click the pin to the right of it. What that will do is pin it to the top of your browser. My screen's a little cut off, but that's why I'm describing it. So that way when you click the little fox icon in the upper right, this is what you see. Now, next step is we need to add the Avalanche blockchain. So XETA is on the Avalanche blockchain. There's many different blockchains in cryptocurrency. Avalanche is just a blockchain. So we need to add the Avalanche blockchain into MetaMask. How do we do that? Well, on the screen you're on, you can also click the icon on your browser as well. You could click Ethereum mainnet and click add network. I'm going to do it just in this little window in here. So where it says Ethereum mainnet, go ahead and click that and then click add network. The name doesn't really matter. I'm just going to type in Avalanche. Now you want to go do a Google search, and I will include the links in this video, so if you don't want to go do a Google search, it'll be in the description. But you're going to type in Avalanche Metamask and search for that. It'll be the very first link you see right here. How do I set up Metamask on Avalanche? Go ahead and click that. And right here is what we need. Let me zoom in just a little bit. Right here, all this information here. So network name, we just type that in. It doesn't matter if you put Avalanche, Avalanche Network. I'm just going to type in Avalanche. We want to copy this though, where it says new RPC URL. I'm going to copy that, go back to my MetaMask window, paste that in here where it says new RPC URL. The chain ID is 43114. Type that in. The currency symbol, of course, is AVAX, AVAX. Blockchain Explorer URL, it's optional. I'm going to add it anyway, and it is snowtrace.io/. Back up there. Then you will hit save once you get to this point. So, pretty cool. So now, in your MetaMask, you will see Avalanche up here. Now you can go in between two different blockchains. We don't really need to do anything with Ethereum. You can just ignore it. But we are going to play with Avalanche. All right, so now we've downloaded, I should say, MetaMask. We have added the blockchain. So please follow along in the next video. I'm going to show you how to open up an exchange, move your money in, buy the crypto you need, then bring it to our MetaMask wallet. That'll be the very next video after this in the series of tutorials. Go ahead and check that out. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.